TV number 8. They say 8 is a lucky number. So how do you feel that you're bringing
I
BB
cannot
number 8?
actually phantom the feelings that I'm having right now. Backstage, I was having a mixed of emotions, but to sum it all up in one word, I would say the feelings that I'm having right now is the word glimmer, which is the opposite of the word glitter. Glimmer are those moments when you feel extreme happiness, peace, and gratitude. And tonight, I am glimmered with all of these feelings. Happiness because I was given the chance to be part of this prestigious competitions. Out of the 44 ladies who have screened for this year's pageant, I was one of the 15 finalists of candidates who were lucky enough to be here right now. And mind you, my compatriots tonight are not just ordinary ladies. They are queens from different titles. And I also feel at peace right now because I know that God is guiding me throughout the way, and whatever may be the result of tonight's competition,